Hello. Hello.
Sorry, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Never mind. Okay, but always check the messages in the group. Okay?
Okay.
Because common messages are always sent on the group. I had sent reminder message also in the morning. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
the group message. This group 6 says 24-25, right?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Let's start. Today Bhavesh is absent. Okay. So, Lakshita, did you do the homework sums yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. I've sent it.
Ah, yes, I got it. Yes, you have said. Right. Okay. And now, do you have the understanding of international system of numeration?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you one sum. You'll do it now, right?
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, as per the international system of numeration, we will do. I'm giving you the number is. Okay. Let me just share the screen first. Okay. Okay, I'm just giving you one number, so you have to write as international system of numeration. Okay, do this one. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to the international system of numeration. Do this B part. Write this according to the international system. First put commas also and then write the name.
Okay.
Name your owner in words you have to write.
Okay. Internet. Meter. Done, ma'am.
Okay, read out.
7,452,283.
Yes, good. And where have you put commas?
After 200, after 7, after 452,000.
Yes,
That.
yes, like this. Okay, now do this one. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Okay, now you do this one. 58,423,202. Write it in numerals. Okay, this is now given in words. You have to write in numerals and put commas also.
Okay.
Direct pass answer.
Yes. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yes, read out the numbers.
5, 8, comma,
Hmm.
4, 2, 3, comma,
Hmm.
202.
Good,
Two.
that's correct. Okay, nice. Okay, now you tell me how much is 1 crores if we compare with, okay, how much is 1 crores equals to 10 lakh? How many 10 lakhs will make 1 crores?
10,
10. Good. And how many millions will make 1 crore?
10,
Yes. Okay, how
10,
many lakhs will make 1 million?
10,
10. Okay, lakh is we have 5 zeros. Million is we have 6 zeros this side. Okay, so 10. So to make it equal, we need to multiply this with 10. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, do this also. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Now write it, write in names. You have to write in words as per the Indian system. Do this B part. Yes, hurry up.
Yes.
Tell me.
8 minutes.
Indian system.
Oh, okay. 1 minute, ma'am. I accidentally wrote in international.
Okay.
ఇక్కడ రాయి ఆన్సర్ తొందరగా.
Okay, ma'am. 85 lakh
Hmm.
46,283.
Yes, absolutely right. And where are the commas?
After
కామాస్ పెట్టలేదు చెప్పు ఐదు.
I better. Okay. After 85,
Hmm.
after 46.
Yes. Good. That's correct. Okay. So this was the recap of what we studied yesterday. Okay, international system and Indian system. Now
Okay, ma'am.
moving ahead, yesterday we learned about forming numbers also. Okay, with numbers, how do you form the greatest number, the smallest number? Now we have some word problems here. Okay, like this. Now see this first question here. Can you read the first question? Lakshita, please read.
A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The
Hmm.
number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and the final day was respectively 1,094. Wait.
Hmm.
1,094, 1,812, 2,050, 2,751. Find the
Yes.
total number of tickets sold on the 4 days.
Hmm. Total tickets sold on all 4 days. So what will you do in this case? The
Add.
tickets sold on all 4 days are how much? On first day it was sold so much. Second day, then to find the total number of tickets, what will you do?
Add.
Add them. You will add all the number of tickets that were sold. So please do. But whenever you are given statement sums, no, you should do with the statement. In the answer also, you must write the statement. That number of tickets sold in all 4 days. I'm not telling you to write first day, second day, third day, no. Write all 4 days.
Last.
Okay.
Okay.
Then add them all. Then you need to write the last statement. Total number of tickets sold on all 4 days of the exhibition are so much. Whatever you get the answer. Yes, hurry up, give the answer. It's just adding the numbers.
Oh, seven.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm.
$7,707.
Yes, that's correct. 7,707 tickets were sold.
Right.
Okay, now read this. Question number 3.
In an election, the successful candidate registered um 5 um 5,77,500 votes, and his nearest rivals secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election?
So how many votes did he win the election? What will you do in this case? One
Add
candidate is achieving 5 lakh, so many votes. Other candidate is achieving 3 lakhs and so many votes. What will you do in this case? How will you find out who got? Yes, you will subtract. Then only you will find out no, who the successful candidate is winning by how many votes. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you subtract, you will get your answer.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, what is it?
2,28,800.
Okay, 2,28,800. Okay, good. Okay, now do this one.
Which one?
This one. Question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits. These are the digits. Each only once. Now you have to use each digit only once and make the greatest number also and make the smallest number also and find the difference. You have to find the
Okay.
difference.
Okay, ma'am.
First write the greatest number.
Yes, ma'am. Greatest.
Okay, high smallest one.
Oh,
Okay, what is the greatest number you have made?
76,432.
Yes, and smallest number?
Smallest number to 23,467.
Yes. Now what you need to do? Find the difference.
Subtract.
Yes.
The difference is
Hmm.
52,965.
965. Okay, good. Okay, now do this one. Question number 9.
To stitch a shirt, 2 meters 50 centimeters cloth is needed out of 40 meters cloth. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain?
Will remain. Okay, so the question is saying to stitch one shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is required, right? Out of 40 meter cloth, how much shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So how many shirts will be stitched in that? Now in this case, what will you do? First, see the length of the cloth that is used is given in meters and centimeters. So you first of all, you will convert it to 1 unit. Okay. So it's
Okay.
always better to convert it to a smaller unit. So as to avoid decimals, you should always convert it to smaller unit. So what will you get when you convert 2 meter 15 centimeter to centimeters alone? How many centimeters?
1 meter. $50
When we convert from meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. When always we move from higher unit to a smaller unit, we multiply.
200.
215. Okay, so 200 meter is, that's correct. 200 meter is, 2 meter is 200 centimeters. Then plus you have 15 centimeters also, no? So you got 215 centimeters. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this? Now, 40 meter is also in meters now. So we'll convert 40 meter also to centimeters. What we will get?
We will get 4,000.
Yes, we will get 4,000. When you multiply with 100, you get 4,000. Now it's saying how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth is left. So what will you do? That means this much cloth.
Subtract.
No,
What you'll do?
how many cloths? So one shirt is taking this much of the cloth multiplied by the number of shirts. Is it total number of shirts? And total cloth is 4,000 meters, centimeters. So what will you do to find the number of shirts? You will divide it. To find the number of shirts, you will divide 4,000 by 215. Look here. Then suppose you have 3 candies. Suppose I say 1 candy costs ₹5. Okay. And how many candies will you bring for ₹50? How many candies will you? I give you ₹50. Each candy costs ₹5. How many candies will you bring for ₹50? 10. How did you get that?
I divided it.
So you divided 50 by 5. Is
Yes.
that? So you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
10. So that means 10 candies you can buy from 50 rupees. So same way here, if one shirt is taking this much, using this much of the cloth material, and to find the number of shirts, total, how many shirts can we make out of that total cloth? So total cloth is 4,000. So what will you do in this case? Same way what you did here, you divided it.
Divide.
Is it? To find how many shirts, to find how many candies, you divided total money with the amount of 1 candy.
Yeah.
That's what you did, no? Total amount given to you divided by amount of 1 candy. This is what you did, no? Here. So
Yes.
same way, total cloth material divided by the cloth used for 1 shirt. Are you getting? Total cloth
Yes, ma'am.
material divided by cloth used in making one shirt. So then you will get number of shirts. So how many shirts can be made with that much cloth? So when you divide this, what do you get? 4,000 divided by 215. Can you do the division?
Yes, ma'am.
Check out,
Okay.
and with that, we'll get to know then how much cloth is remaining. We have to find the remaining cloth also. No? It's written in the question.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you get on dividing?
I'm doing
I'm doing it, ma'am. Still not done.
it.
Don't take so long to divide. You must do the work quickly.
Mm.
Yes. How much is that?
The remainder is 130 and the answer is 18.
So the quotient you're getting is 18. That means 18 shirts can be made. Okay, 18 shirts can be made. And how much cloth is left? That is 100 centimeter, 130 centimeter cloth is left. Okay.
Okay.
I hope you understood this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then for your homework, I'm going to give you some questions from this exercise, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Some 3-4 questions I'll give you now. Class time is getting over. Okay, by the time, okay, you do this question, one last question. Do this one, okay. Question number 4.
Kirti's bookstore.
Kirti Bookstore. Okay, it's the
Kirti
name of some bookstore.
Kirti bookstore sold books worth 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth for 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the scale for 2 weeks together? In which week was the scale greater? Sale greater, and by how much?
Yes. So in the first week, the bookstore is selling so many books. Okay. So this will be a first statement. In the first week, the bookstore is selling 2,85,891 books, right? And in the
Yes.
second week, it's selling 4,768 books. So which number is greater out of these?
4 lakhs.
4 lakh is greater, is it?
Yes.
And how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? So 2 weeks together means what
You
will you do? For both
add,
them,
ma'am. Add.
you add them, right? So you will add them for 2 weeks together. And in which week was the sale together by by how much? And which week has a higher sale and by how much?
We compare.
Yes, you compare, no? Just now you said in the second week, this number is greater. And the
Yes.
sale was more in the second week. So by how much it was greater? So for that, what will you do? You will
Subtract.
subtract. Yes, very nice. Do it.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, how much is the sale together?
6,86,659.
Yes, 6,86,659. That's correct. Okay. And how much was the sale greater in the second week?
1 lakh.
Yes.
1,14,877.
Yes, absolutely right. So that's correct. Okay. Okay. So thank you for today, Lakshita. Okay.
Thank you,
We'll
ma'am.
meet
Bye, ma'am.
tomorrow same time. And this weekend you have your objective test also. Please check out the messages in the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I will ask you in the objective test, you will have questions from this chapter. This is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
syllabus. Go through the group messages.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.